Okay, we've got last minute turkey talk, right?
Yes, this is the time.
That doesn't feel last minute. Chef Shahir Massound is going to help us. Okay, so this is a turkey.
Look at that.
It's been resting.
Resting. We were just talking about
resting is the most important thing.
Yes. So this is the time. It's go time, everyone. Time to roast your turkey. If you've got your whole bird, I'm going to walk you through that. If you don't, a roast like this is a great option. We were just talking off camera. Cook from frozen, from Butterball.
But you've got to make sure that on the package it says cook from frozen, right?
No, they're all totally designed to do that. And whether it's the roast, the whole bird, pre-brined, which is great. And this is one of the most...
That means it's got the flavor.
It's got the flavor. It's going to stay juicy. Just don't overcook it. 165 is your temp. A meat thermometer, if you have, is your best friend today. So if you have your whole bird, go to butterball.ca. There's a turkey calculator going to walk you through how long and what temp. 325 is your magic temp.
And don't be afraid of it.
And don't be afraid. And don't do anything to it.
Yeah.
You're not basting it. You're not checking it. 325 the whole way through on a roasting rack, whether you're doing it with the little roast or the whole bird. Elevating it on a roasting rack lets the hot oven air circulate around. That's why we've got a crispy golden exterior, juicy interior. Don't peek. Don't baste.
Don't do anything.
Don't do anything. Look at these roasts. So we have different varieties. You can get a white and dark meat roast, which is really, really cool. And again, as long as you don't overcook it, super juicy, crispy on the outside, easy to do. You can get a pre-stuffed roast, or you can get an all white meat roast as well. And it's really, really good. Now, with these roasts also, similar to the whole bird actually, I've always said all these years, turkey is a versatile protein. So you can serve it straight up. Beautiful.
You're going to jazz it up.
You can jazz it up as well. I've made a little Sauce Américaine, one of my favorite sauces. Everyone in the studio is like, what is that smell? It's really good.
It's bacon.
It's bacon. You start with rendered out bacon, or if you've got pancetta, really, really nice. Take it out in the rendered fat. Tomato paste, beef stock, and then hit it.
And by rendered fat, you mean cooked fat?
The cooked out fat from the bacon or the pancetta, lots of flavor.
Don't drain it.
Don't drain it. Put that tomato paste in there. Let the tomato paste cook in that bacon or pancetta fat. Hit it with the herbs, return the bacon, and now you're jazzing up that turkey roast into something totally, I mean, it's really a classic French sauce, and delicious. So go any direction you want to go, whether it's the whole bird.
And what were the herbs that you added again?
Tarragon.
Okay.
Parsley, chive.
Okay.
It is the way to go. Oh my gosh. And again, you could serve it straight up. Mashed potatoes, gravy, go classic.
There we go.
You can also jazz it up as well. Any questions, by the way, 1-800-BUTTERBALL is a real phone number with real human beings that will answer the phone. I'll answer. Call me.
Shahir will answer the phone. Is that what you're doing today?
I'll answer. Why not? Delish.
Oh, that looks so good.
The herbs, the bacon, the tomato, a little bit of that stock. It can be exciting. I also, by the way, don't mind traditional. Like today at home, I'm doing the whole bird.
Because your brother asked you to, nothing fancy.
Because my mom said, my brother and my mom said, don't get crazy with it. I'm like, I'm not. Mashed potatoes, gravy, easy to do. Butterball.ca again for all the side dishes. Any tips, tricks you need, we've got you covered. You got the turkey calculator so you know how long to roast. Also tips if you forgot to thaw your turkey. Some are designed to be cooked from frozen, cool. Some are designed to be thawed. If you haven't gotten around to thawing it, you could do it in a cold water method. There's solutions for everything.
Make sure it's cold water, right?
It's got to be cold
warm water.
Totally.
Yeah.
But when in doubt, call us. 1-800-BUTTERBALL. And we were just joking off camera. It's not that big of a deal.
Right. I always think of it as just like it's like a big chicken. I can make a chicken.
You can do it.
So I can just make a different type of bird that's a little bit bigger.
Gone are the days of waking up at 3 a.m. with dread, like I gotta make the meat. It's really actually super. There's no basting. People get surprised by that. There's no basting because think about it. A turkey skin, as it roasts, is almost like a raincoat. So as you're just basting, it just cascades off. It's not doing much. And if you're opening your oven, you're losing your oven air.
Right.
You're losing your heat. You're dropping the heat. No need to do that. A turkey doesn't get juicy from a baste. It gets juicy from a brine, which is already done with Butterball, and not overcooking. So that's why I say, again, that thermometer is your friend. Once you hit 165,
okay, we got about 30 seconds left.
You're good.
How long should you roast, like, so you've got a roast here.
Yeah.
How long would you let that rest? So you take it out of the oven, you're putting it on a platter, you're walking away.
Great question. I'm so glad you asked that question because We let this little roast rest for at least 10 minutes. That's a good amount of time. If you're talking about a 15-pound turkey, I think some people think that it's like roasting a steak, and it's not. You're talking about a 15-pound turkey. You're talking about half an hour.
Okay.
You gotta rest it. And some people get
And don't cut into it or anything.
Not at all.
Just go.
Some people get nervous and think it's gonna get cold. I promise you, a 15-pound turkey after half an hour, when you carve into it, steam will cascade off that turkey.
All right.
So don't panic.
All right. May steam cascade off your turkey, and may it be delicious.
And it will.
Shahir,
It
thank
will.
you very much
Great to
for
see you.
coming in. We'll get the links up on our website
Yep.
at chch.com/morninglive.